So hi guys, today I'm gonna show you my squishy, and I'm like, yeah, all squishy, and I don't have any homemade squishy because all my squishy was like defect and all that. It's not real. Sorry, there's my little brother. He's just laughing. And okay, so I didn't get him to come. So I'm just gonna show you my squishy, and if I just made a homemade squishy, I will tell you guys. And yeah, so my little brother keep on coming over here. Okay, so let's say, okay, what's my first squishy? My first squishy is lost, and my second squishy is okay, now I know what's my second squishy. My second squishy is this jumbo band. My sister just bought for me, and it's easy to find. So I only buy this for $5, and it is the size of my palm, but my palm is small. So it's very squishy. It's not that squishy. Yep, and this is the first time. So sorry. He's getting away. So this is squishy. That's what I'm talking about. So okay, next my squishiest squishy is I don't know, I need to get it. Okay, wait for it. So my squishiest squishy is this, and it's very squishy over here. Yep, and sorry. So it's like very squishy. Over here, yeah, as you can see over here also. So very squishy until I want to tear. So whatever. And also this is a Kapi Banasan. Some people don't know, because at first I don't know, then I don't know. Then I see over here there's a word of Kapi Banasan. And it's very squishy, but it's defect. There's defect everywhere. Okay, and Kapi Banasan over here. Okay, so I don't know what's this, because I'm not a Japan or it's Korea or Chinese, I don't care. Yeah, but it's very squishy also. I trade with my friends. So I don't know whether this cookie is rare. Yeah, but it's not that squishy. So it's not that squishy, because I bought this for only $4. Okay. Then my next squishy is this. Okay, I'm not like, so it smells like when people is wet, then keep on holding this and say over here, and I'm trying to find where's the bubble thingy. Yeah, because some squishy has the bubble thingy. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, it's more bigger than the panda. Then so next is the this squishy is defect over here, but it's very squishy. If I put in the ice box, there's a tutorial, and when I put this in the ice box, it was like hold it here and stay for 1 minute or 2 seconds. Can't be 2 seconds, might be 5 minutes. Okay, please watch my tutorial. Go under me, but I only upload only like how many videos, cause I don't active my phone and something whatever. I just active Instagram, and but I don't know. No. So see, and this is a Hello Kitty bread. It's green color, as you can see over here, but it's not even squishy. Okay, then I bought this for only 3 days ago, and yeah, and there's like something over here, yeah, and there's no defect because it's a new. This only is $3.10. Yeah, and yeah, and I bought this for like my friend give me, and it's not that squishy. Okay, then I got this melon bun and flour over here, and it's not that squishy. So yeah, and yeah, then got 3 more to go. This is the Rilakkuma oh shit, I forgot that word. What's that called? Okay, seriously, that's called a donut. Okay, Rilakkuma donut. And it's not that squishy. Yeah, it's very hard. So then I got this cupcake. It is also hard. It looks like real, but there's defect. So I got 2 more squishy to go, and this is my squishy. I mean, like, this is not a squishy, this is a squeeze toy. I supposed to have squeeze toys, but 2 squeeze toys, but I tricked my friend. It's a giraffe. Let me. So yeah, see, my mate hate when I put in front of her. Then this is the ice cream. Defect around it, defect over here, and so here you can see when I do this, you can see. Like this, you can see when there. So it's very squishy. Yep. And my friend gave it to me. So I just wanted to tell you that I only have a little squishy because I collect squishy when I was the half year of 2013, and I can't buy a lot of squishy, and because I don't go out a lot of time, and on my school sells over there, but I sometimes I can't, cause sometimes I need to do something with the money. So please subscribe me, okay, and bye guys.